Good morning, baby. Get up.
Is it morning?
It's almost 12 o'clock.
Oh. Where's my mobile?
Get up now.
Baby, black coffee.
1 second.
Get my mobile also.
पता नहीं कहाँ रख देती हो.
What time is it?
It's afternoon.
Oh shit.
Don't worry.
It's too late.
Relax. You need cigarettes as well?
मेरा मोबाइल कहाँ है?
मोबाइल यहीं कहीं होगा.
Oh god. It's already late.
अलार्म लगा लिया करो ना.
कितना मिस कॉल आया हुआ है?
Baby, do you think I should chop my hair?
Oh baby, you look good as it is.
You know my hair's quite messy. I don't know. I need to do something about it.
Why don't you apply some lotion?
That doesn't serve the purpose. I want some permanent solution, yeah.
Then maybe we can go to the salon tomorrow.
Well, that sounds like a plan. Do you think I should shave also?
You know what? Let me just book the appointment for tomorrow.
Righto.
And baby, black coffee?
Coming up in 2 minutes. मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है.
नवीन का मिस कॉल है.
Oh wow, it's Karan's birthday today. He's 38 but going on 28. Not bad. We need to wish him, huh? Your coffee is right here. Let's get ready to go.
Thank you.
No worries.
Baby, sugar free or sugar?
It's sugar free. Sugar is mine.
Thank you. Cheers.
You're welcome.
For
Cheers.
a beautiful day.
And let's rock.
Perfect.
Karan's birthday, we need to wish him, though he's in New York.
Karan Johar?
Yeah, we must send him a text.
Oh yeah, they've written something about him also. Can you hold a coffee, baby?
Sure?
Let's see what's in news today.
At least not us.
No.
Sick of being in the news.
Oh, do you remember this red bikini we bought from Goa?
Oh, lovely. I so miss that holiday.
Baby, let's go to Goa again.
I don't mind doing it on your birthday, but provided we have all the close friends together. Let's have a
okay,
cigarette
yeah.
also, yeah? Nice song.
Proud. I smoke with you only.
Why do you have to do everything with me?
What meetings you have lined up for today?
I need to shoot for Vodafone. I'm doing one of the campaigns. It's a print campaign. And
That
then
reminds me, Sandeep Malani called me up today
okay,
for script narration.
oh, all right. And we're working together on that project, right?
Hmm.
Did he talk about that payment?
You know he never pays. Oh, lat bikhra chunariya pe chha, lat bikhra chunariya pe chha, बैठी हूँ मैं तेरे लिए, आजा पिया तो है प्यार.
What is your plan for the day besides dancing?
तो बेकार तू
Stop seducing me. What is your plan?
इतने उदास सूखे सूखे हो आँखियों में प्यास किस लिए ओ आजा पिया तो है प्यार तू ओ गोरी पैया तो बेवार तू.
Pakka?
Yes baby.
Yeah, baby. Don't feel like going out? No stepping out?
Not at all.
Hmm?
Can we stay at home today?
You seem to be in a naughty mood.
I don't feel like going out, baby. The weather is too bad.
You'll
Baby,
feel
this
better.
song is also suggesting something.
Yeah? We'll think about it once we're done with the meeting. Oh, that reminds me. I have to pay my mobile bill today. It's the last day, yeah?
Baby, I have to buy a Blackberry.
We could go get one today.
I'll have to stay connected with all my Blackberry friends.
Yeah? You know what? Once you get a hang of the instant messaging, there's nothing like it.
Okay, did you speak to the Reliance guy? We have to get
I
internet
did,
connection.
and what he said that tonight by say 10 in the night or so, he'll fix the problem automatically because the
Perfect.
servers were down.
I haven't logged on to Facebook for so long.
Ah, okay.
किससे चैट कर रहे हो?
What time will you be back?
I'll be late. रात को आऊंगी. Baby,
Yes, baby.
baby, towel.
1 second. Right here.
Give.
I'm giving it to you. Take it. What?
Do you mind?
I don't mind. Why should I mind? Huh?
Baby,
Hey. Oh.
there's some nice South Indian breakfast.
Thank you.
Hmm.
I've been wanting to eat some nice idlis.
Yeah?
It's a wonderful breakfast to have in the morning.
Yes, baby.
Look at Deepika, yeah. She's so hot.
She's lost a lot of weight.
Yeah, oodles of weight.
Ranbir dumped her, no?
Is that the reason to become sexier?
Of course.
So what is your routine?
Maybe I got a meeting lined up. I'll leave in probably half an hour. तुम कितने
Okay.
बजे निकलोगे?
Maybe मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ I've spoken to those people, Vodafone One. So they said to come a little later. So you leave first. Probably I'll take a Rick and go.
Okay. It's getting really hot.
What I'm thinking, that we should get an AC installed in this room. How about a nice split AC for 1.5 ton?
Baby, let's get practical and economical. I think a window AC would just be fine.
Sweetheart, I want you to be comfortable. I'm not even asking you to pay. I'm doing enough shoots. I'm earning well. You don't even have to worry about it. I want you to be comfortable. And if we go for the split AC, it'll be economical too. How? We'll be able to save on our electricity bill.
Okay, I'm not gonna argue with you then.
Then do I get a smiling face now?
Yeah, baby.
Better.
What I'll do is now, I'll go and change right now.
Okay.
Because I have to leave for my meetings.
Alright.
And I'll see you later then.
Perfect.
Yeah?
Perfect. Once you're done, let's touch base on the phone.
Take care, baby. Okay. Baby, I'm leaving. I'll see you in a bit, okay?
Alright. Take care.
हेलो।
हाय जेनी, कैसी हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ। तुम कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ। कब से फोन कर रहा हूँ, फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रही थी?
मैं फोन उठाने ही वाली थी, बस घर से निकल ही रही थी।
तुम आ रही हो ना?
मेरी मीटिंग खत्म करके हाँ शाम को वहीं पे मिलते हैं ना।
ठीक है। आई एम मिसिंग यू स्वीटहार्ट।
मिसिंग यू टू। सारा टाइम तो तुम्हारे ही लिए है ना, और कहाँ जाऊंगी।
बस जल्दी से आ जाओ तुम। अब कहाँ मिलेंगे बोलो?
हाँ वहीं पे मिलेंगे जहाँ हमेशा मिलते हैं।
ठीक है।
बाय बेबी।
बाय।
लव यू।
आई लव यू टू।
Is that Rohan?
Yeah, who's this?
Hi Rohan, Vivek here. How you doing?
I'm great.
Glad, yeah. We were just chatting on Planet Romeo. So where do you stay, buddy?
In Lokhandwala?
Oh, that's close by. Lokhandwala is just like say 10 minutes from my place.
Yeah.
Do you want to catch up for a cup of coffee at my place?
Cool. Let's do it.
Perfect. That sounds like a plan. So you come over in a while. I'll just text you my address.
Sure.
All right. See you, buddy. Take care. Bye-bye.
All right.
Hello? Yeah, hi. I had a meeting with you guys. I'm sorry, I won't be able to make it. Can we reschedule it? Yes, thank you. हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ बेबी।
बोलो।
बेबी शाम तक वेट नहीं हो रहा था।
क्यों, क्या हुआ?
तो मैं तुमसे मिलने अब भी आ रही हूँ।
मीटिंग तुम्हारी?
हाँ, मीटिंग तो कैंसिल कर दी मैंने। करनी पड़ी ना।
घर पे आ रही ना फिर?
ठीक है, सो आई सी यू राइट देयर। बाय।
ओके बाय। आई लव यू।
लव यू।
Hey, Rohan. What's up?
Vivek, I'm leaving.
Oh, okay. You're going to be there in 10 minutes?
Yeah.
All right. See you in 10 minutes.
Fine.
Okay. All right. Cheers, mate. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Hi,
Hey,
my
Jenny.
sweetheart.
Come inside.
कहाँ जा रही है? इधर आओ।
कहाँ से हो यार आप? मैं तो गुजरात से हूँ, अहमदाबाद। इतने फॉर्मल क्यों बैठे हो? टेक योर शूज ऑफ, मेक योरसेल्फ कंफर्टेबल। हाउ अबाउट यू? दिस आफ्टरनून योर होम? रोहन, आई हैड शूट्स। मैंने अपना काम वगैरह खत्म करा एंड देन मैं जब तुम्हारी पिक्चर्स देख रहा था तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना चंद लम्हे हम और तुम एक साथ गुजारें, इसलिए आई कैंसल लेटर अपॉइंटमेंट्स ऑफ माइन। And I really like you. You have a smooth body and I like guys who have smooth bodies.
और तुम बताओ?
मीटिंग बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गई।
फोन पे बताया ना कैंसिल करी तुम्हारे लिए।
मेरे लिए? हाँ,
कहाँ खोए रहते हो?
मेरे लिए तो फिर वक्त ही वक्त अच्छा है ना, मेरे लिए कैंसिल किया मीटिंग को।
You know.
हाँ हेलो। अरे यार, पायर कल आ रहा है, रेडी करना है शिपमेंट को। एक दिन फैक्ट्री नहीं है, बस पता नहीं तुम लोग क्या कर देते हो। ओके मैं आ रहा हूँ, अब भी आ रहा हूँ, आधे घंटे में आ रहा हूँ मैं।
विक्रम,
मुझे जाना होगा अभी।
तो तुमने मुझे क्यों बुलाया?
क्या करूँ, तुम्हें क्यों बुलाया मतलब क्या?
मतलब मेरा पूरा
काम
मीटिंग
है।
कैंसिल करवा के मैंने भी अपना काम कैंसिल करा विक्रम।
बट मेरी रोजी रोटी है, समझा करो ना। मैं
मेरा काम
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है मेरी
इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है।
ऑफ कोर्स है। कल मेरा बायर आ रहा है, अमेरिका से आ रहा है, मुझे जाके उसकी शिपमेंट रेडी करनी है। परसों फैशन शो है, मॉडल्स के कपड़े रेडी करने
तुम्हें
हैं।
सिर्फ अपने मॉडल्स के कपड़ों की पड़ी रहती है
कम
ना?
ऑन,
आई थिंक
मॉडल्स के पीछे कौन भागता है?
विक्रम, आई थिंक यू नीड मी ओनली फॉर सेक्स। तुम्हारा काम हुआ और तुम्हें अपने मॉडल्स की याद आ गई।
ऐसा नहीं है, तुम्हें पता है।
You know, I think I'm just leaving right now.
कम ऑन यार, ऐसा नहीं है। यू नो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट।
I can't take this anymore. Just forget it.
जेनी,
I'm just leaving.
जेनी, जेनी रुको।
क्या यार, दरवाजा तो बंद किया करो।
Oh shit, is she? Don't worry, she knows I'm gay. So lovely meeting you. Give me a buzz once you're back in town and then we'll catch up again. You have both my numbers, right? Yeah. मैं आपको कल कॉल करता हूँ। ठीक है, अपना ध्यान रखना। हाँ, और फिर मिलेंगे। Thanks. चलो, बाय बाय बाय, टेक केयर। ओके। Hey Jen. How are you, baby? What's up? Why are you looking so stressed?
Nothing, yeah. Anyways, I'll tell you later. What's up with you? You look very excited. Who's that new boy?
Yeah, undoubtedly I am. Someone who stays close by.
Planet Romeo.
Where else?
Okay.
You tell me, how was your day?
I don't know. Just not been liking the recent happenings. I think, we've spent a lot of time together, but the quality time is missing. I don't know what's wrong.
I doubt that, sweetheart, because every time he has time, he takes you out. You guys party. Even last night you partied with him then.
True, but you know what, baby? I think he's cheating on me.
What? No ways, yeah. Just because of his profession, he's surrounded by so many models. You can't doubt, yeah. Come
but,
on.
But honestly, I think there is somebody in his life now.
Oh, if that is the case and that's what you feel, what I would recommend, why don't you have a one-to-one discussion with him and clear all the doubts?
You know what? I think I'm gonna do that now.
Very soon you should do that.
I will do that
Both
now.
of you should go out or probably just spend some time at home, talk about it and clear your doubts, yeah? You love him, he loves you. I mean, what is the reason?
Let's see how that goes.
I'm sure everything will get sorted.
Vikram,
या
I need to talk, yeah.
एक मिनट बस खत्म होने को आया है अभी.
Can you not do this later, please?
1 minute. हेलो. हाँ. मॉडल्स फाइनल हो गए ना सारे? नहीं. मेल मॉडल्स नहीं चाहिए. I just need 16 girls. That's it. 16 girls. I have 32 garments. 2 changes each. बस और कुछ नहीं. I don't know. लड़कों का मैं कपड़ा करता ही नहीं हूँ ना. मेल मॉडल्स क्यों चाहिए मुझे? हाँ? ठीक है. और हाँ, सारे हाइट्स वगैरह देख लेना, चेक कर लेना. वो लंबे होने चाहिए. बाद में कोई
विक्रम?
गड़बड़ नहीं चाहिए मुझे. एक मिनट. ठीक है. ओके.
Should I just leave?
नहीं. बोलो.
मुझे बात करनी है यार.
नहीं.
तुम्हारे पास मेरे लिए टाइम है?
Of course है.
पूरा टाइम मॉडल्स, फीमेल्स मॉडल्स.
मेरा काम ही ऐसा है, मैं क्या करूँ?
Can you please take out time for me, Vikram? I'm very serious right now.
टाइम ही टाइम है. मैं तो हूँ यहाँ पे तुम्हारे साथ.
मैं जब भी तुम्हारे पास आती हूँ तुम कोई ना कोई बहाना बना के. See?
कॉल आते रहेंगे तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? बोलो. हेलो.
Vikram.
ठीक है.
विक्रम,
वो फैब्रिक.
I'm leaving.
अच्छा, एक मिनट. अच्छा. मैं बाद में बात करता हूँ. ठीक है, चलो. ओके.
विक्रम, ऑनेस्टली तुम मुझे बता दो कि तुम्हारे पास मेरे लिए टाइम है या नहीं. पूरा टाइम लड़कियां, फीमेल्स, मॉडल्स, बस यही रह गया ना लाइफ में. विक्रम,
क्या लड़कियां, फीमेल्स, मॉडल्स? क्या बक रही हो तुम? तुम भी तो रहती हो एक लड़के के साथ. कभी मैंने पूछा है कि विवेक के साथ क्यों रहती हो तुम? तुम्हारा
विक्रम,
कोई चक्कर चल रहा है कि नहीं? कभी पूछा है मैंने?
विक्रम, तुम्हें तो पता है विवेक इज अ गे और उसका मेरा कभी कुछ हो भी नहीं सकता है यार. ही इज जस्ट अ स्वीट फ्रेंड एंड यू नो इट. हाउ कैन यू इवन से दैट?
तो फिर हाउ कैन यू इवन से दैट कि मेरा मॉडल्स के साथ कोई चक्कर चल रहा है? How
You know
can
why?
even think?
You know why? Because you don't remember that it's my birthday today. By the way, this ring is no longer mine. और ये तुम्हारा return gift. And I'm leaving, okay? Fuck off.
Listen,
Get lost, Vikram.
Jenny, listen to me. Listen to me, please.
Welcome, sweetheart.
Hi, baby. क्या कर रहे हो? अरे,
Okay.
what is this, यार?
Wait.
क्या है ये?
Wait.
क्या हो रहा है?
Where just you and I will be there
Mm-hmm.
under the beautiful sky.
Okay.
Okay? Settle down.
Can I open my eyes now?
Give me 1 minute and then you open your eyes. Just give me 1 minute.
Mm.
1 minute and there we go, yeah?
Baby, you remember?
How could I forget, darling? You're my best friend.
Baby, that is so sweet of you.
I'm always there and I'm privileged to have you in my life.
So am I, baby. You know what? I wish my boyfriend was as sweet as you. Anyways, forget it.
Yeah, we're not going to talk about anything. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jenny.
To my loveliest friend here.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
Oh.
Here we go.
You know my drinks, don't you?
Lovely scotch for us. So cheers, darling. Cheers for the beautiful company. So there's Rohan, and then you know what? You have to meet Puneet. Puneet, I just love him. He is someone who I really want to have a very serious relationship with. And I think even he wants one. And we should take this to the next level because, it makes sense. And we have to go out for dinner together. The three of us, me, you, and Puneet, and it'll be great. What?
Baby,
What, baby?
अगर तुम गे नहीं होते ना, शायद मेरे लाइफ पार्टनर होते.